Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our video on vehicle belts and hoses. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more automotive knowledge. Power steering hoses. Power steering hoses are essential components of the power steering system, which allows for easier steering control. These hoses transport power steering fluid from the pump to the steering gear or rack. They are typically made of a specialized rubber material that can withstand high pressure and hydraulic forces. Damaged power steering hoses can cause steering difficulties, fluid leaks, and potential damage to other power steering components. Regular inspections and timely replacement of worn-out hoses are vital for maintaining smooth and effortless steering. Brake hoses. Brake hoses are a critical part of the vehicle's braking system, transmitting hydraulic pressure from the master cylinder to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders. These hoses are specially designed to withstand the high pressures and extreme temperatures involved in braking. They are typically made of a reinforced rubber or synthetic material to ensure durability and flexibility. Cracked, swollen, or damaged brake hoses can lead to brake failure or compromised braking performance, making regular inspections and replacement necessary for optimal safety. Understanding the different types of vehicle hoses and their importance in various systems can help you stay proactive with maintenance and avoid potential issues. Regularly inspecting and replacing worn-out or damaged hoses can ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle and enhance overall safety. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual and seek professional advice if you encounter any concerns regarding your vehicle's hoses. Stay tuned for the next section in our comprehensive article on vehicle belts and hoses, where we will delve into the role of drive belts. Common signs of belt and hose problems. When it comes to the smooth and reliable operation of your vehicle, the condition of the belts and hoses is crucial. Over time, these components can experience wear and tear, leading to potential issues that can affect your vehicle's performance. By being aware of the common signs of belt and hose problems, you can address them promptly and avoid more significant damage or breakdowns. Squealing or screeching noises. One of the most noticeable signs of belt problems is the presence of strange squealing or screeching noises coming from the engine area. These noises often occur when the belts are worn, loose, or misaligned. The rubber material of the belts can become worn down or glazed, causing them to slip instead of grip the pulleys properly. As a result, the belts may emit a high-pitched squeal as they struggle to transfer power effectively. Ignoring these noises can lead to belt failure, potentially affecting vital components such as the alternator, power steering, or water pump. Leaks or drips. Another red flag indicating potential belt or hose issues is the presence of leaks or drips under your vehicle. Belts and hoses are responsible for circulating crucial fluids, such as coolant or power steering fluid, throughout the engine. Over time, these components can develop cracks or leaks, causing fluid to escape. If you notice puddles or stains of fluid beneath your car, it's important to investigate further. Coolant leaks can result in overheating and engine damage, while power steering fluid leaks can affect your ability to steer properly. Overheating or engine failure. Belts and hoses play a vital role in regulating engine temperature. The coolant hoses, for example, carry coolant to the engine to keep it cool during operation. If these hoses develop leaks or become clogged, the coolant may not circulate properly, leading to overheating. Overheating can cause severe engine damage if not addressed promptly. Similarly, a worn or broken belt, such as the timing belt, can lead to engine failure if it snaps while the engine is running. Regularly checking the condition of your belts and hoses can help prevent these issues and ensure your engine stays in good working order. Understanding the common signs of belt and hose problems is crucial for maintaining the performance and reliability of your vehicle. By being vigilant and addressing these issues early on, you can prevent more extensive damage and costly repairs down the line. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's recommended to consult with a qualified mechanic to assess and address the problem promptly. Remember, proper maintenance and regular inspection are key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Maintenance tips. When it comes to ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle's belts and hoses, regular maintenance is key. By following a few simple maintenance tips, you can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. In this section, we'll explore 3 essential maintenance practices: regular visual inspection, replacing belts and hoses as recommended, and checking and maintaining proper tension. Regular visual inspection. Performing a regular visual inspection of your vehicle's belts and hoses is crucial in identifying any signs of wear, damage, or potential issues. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to conduct a thorough visual inspection. Start by visually inspecting the belts. Look for cracks, fraying, or excessive wearing. Pay close attention to any signs of glazing, which may indicate belt slippage or improper tension. Move on to inspecting the hoses. Check for any bulges, leaks, or soft spots. Pay attention to the hose connections and ensure they are secure and free from any signs of leakage. While inspecting, also check for any signs of coolant or oil leaks, as these can damage belts and hoses over time. If you notice any significant wear or damage, it's best to have a professional mechanic assess and replace the affected belts or hoses promptly. Replacing belts and hoses as recommended. Belts and hoses undergo wear and tear over time, making it essential to replace them as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer or your trusted mechanic. Here's why timely replacement is crucial. Belts. Over time, belts can become stretched, worn, or cracked, which compromises their ability to transfer power efficiently. Failure to replace worn belts can result in engine overheating, loss of power steering, or a breakdown. Follow the manufacturer's recommended replacement intervals or consult with your mechanic for guidance. Hoses. Hoses are responsible for carrying fluids throughout your vehicle's engine. Over time, they can deteriorate, leading to leaks or ruptures. Regularly replacing hoses prevents coolant or oil leaks, which can cause engine damage. Checking and maintaining proper tension. Proper belt tension ensures their effective operation and reduces the risk of premature wear. Here's how to check and maintain the correct belt tension. Consult your vehicle's manual or the under-hood label for the recommended tension specifications. Identify the belt tensioner, which is generally located near the alternator or power steering pump. Use a tension gauge or an appropriate tool to measure the belt deflection or tension according to the manufacturer's specifications. If the belt tension is too loose or too tight, adjust it accordingly using the tensioner or other adjustment mechanisms provided. Regularly monitor and recheck the belt tension to ensure it remains within the recommended range. By following these maintenance tips, you can keep your vehicle's belts and hoses in optimal condition, minimizing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's engine. Remember, if you're unsure about any aspect of maintenance or notice significant wear or damage during an inspection, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for expert advice and assistance. When to replace vehicle belts and hoses. Vehicle belts and hoses are vital components of a car's engine system. Over time, these parts can wear out and become prone to failure. It is crucial to keep an eye on the condition of your vehicle's belts and hoses to ensure smooth and safe operation. Manufacturer's recommendations. Manufacturers typically provide guidelines on when to replace belts and hoses in your vehicle. These recommendations may vary depending on the make and model of your car. The owner's manual provided by the manufacturer is an excellent resource to consult for specific information on replacement intervals. The manufacturer's recommendations take into account factors such as the type of material used, the average lifespan of the belts and hoses, and the typical driving conditions. It is essential to follow these guidelines to prevent unexpected failures that can lead to costly repairs or even accidents. Signs of wear and tear. Regularly inspecting your vehicle's belts and hoses can help identify signs of wear and tear. Here are some common indicators that it may be time to replace them. Visible cracks or fraying. Inspect the belts for any visible signs of cracking or fraying. These can weaken the structure of the belt and increase the risk of a sudden failure. Similarly, hoses with visible cracks or leaks should be replaced promptly. Squealing or chirping noises. If you notice a high-pitched squealing or chirping noise when you start your car or accelerate, it could be a sign of a worn-out or loose belt. A slipping belt can cause the associated systems, such as the power steering or alternator, to function improperly. Overheating. A failing coolant hose can result in engine overheating. If you notice your temperature gauge rising consistently or see steam coming from under the hood, it is crucial to check the condition of the hoses and replace them if necessary. Soft or bulging hoses. Hoses should feel firm and not excessively soft or bulging. Soft hoses may indicate internal damage, while bulging hoses can be a sign of weakened structures, possibly leading to a rupture. Leaking fluids. Inspect the belts and hoses for any leaking fluids. A leaking hose can result in a loss of coolant or other vital fluids, which can impact the performance of the vehicle. It is important to note that these are general signs of wear and tear, and each vehicle may exhibit different symptoms. If you notice any of these warning signs or suspect an issue with your belts or hoses, it is best to have a professional mechanic inspect and replace them if necessary. Regular maintenance and proactive replacement of belts and hoses based on manufacturer recommendations can help prevent unexpected breakdowns and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Professional assistance for belt and hose replacement. When it comes to replacing vehicle belts and hoses, it is crucial to seek professional assistance. Hiring a reliable mechanic for this job ensures that the installation is done correctly and helps maintain the overall performance and safety of your vehicle. In this section, we will discuss the importance of professional installation and provide tips for choosing a trustworthy mechanic. Importance of professional installation. Proper installation of belts and hoses is of paramount importance to ensure the optimal functioning of your vehicle. Professional mechanics possess the necessary knowledge and expertise to handle such replacements with precision and accuracy. They are trained to identify any underlying issues and can provide a thorough examination of the entire system, not just the specific components being replaced. By opting for professional assistance, you can avoid potential mistakes, such as improper routing or tensioning, which can lead to premature wear or failure of the belts and hoses. A professional mechanic will use the right tools and techniques to install the new components correctly, ensuring optimal performance and durability. Choosing a reliable mechanic. Selecting a reliable mechanic is a crucial step to ensure the successful replacement of vehicle belts and hoses. Here are some key factors to consider when making your choice. Experience and expertise. Look for a mechanic who has substantial experience in handling belt and hose replacements. They should be knowledgeable about different vehicle models and have a track record of successful repairs. Certifications and credentials. Check if the mechanic has relevant certifications, such as Automotive Service Excellence (ASE) certification. This indicates their commitment to professionalism and expertise in the field. Customer reviews and reputation. Read reviews and testimonials from previous customers to get an idea of the mechanic's reputation. Positive feedback and recommendations from others can help you make an informed decision. Warranty and guarantees. Inquire about warranties or guarantees offered for the replacement parts and labor. A reputable mechanic will stand behind their work and provide assurances regarding the quality of their services. Transparent communication. Effective communication is vital in any automotive repair process. Choose a mechanic who is transparent and willing to explain the replacement procedure, costs involved, and any additional recommendations they may have. Remember, it is always a good idea to consult multiple mechanics and compare their expertise, pricing, and overall professionalism before making a final decision. Prioritizing quality and reliability will ensure that your vehicle's belts and hoses are replaced with precision and care. In conclusion, vehicle belts and hoses play a crucial role in the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle. These components may seem small and insignificant, but they are responsible for transferring power, cooling crucial systems, and ensuring smooth operation of various engine parts. Regular inspection and maintenance of belts and hoses can prevent costly breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your vehicle. By giving proper attention to these often overlooked components, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly and avoid unexpected repairs. Please note that it is always recommended to consult with a qualified mechanic or refer to the vehicle manufacturer's guidelines for comprehensive information on when to replace belts and hoses specific to your car model. Thank you for joining us in this continuation on vehicle belts and hoses. Stay tuned for more valuable automotive insights, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver, your go-to destination for automotive knowledge. Thank you for watching.